Hello, my name is Chris Wiegeraat. I'm Commercial Director of GoBright. I'd like to tell you something more about our hardware proposition. Another advantage is that if you use these units, they can also turn to purple when they have been used. During the Corona period, it was very important if you have a few people in the building and you leave this desk that not somebody else use it before it's cleaned. That was when we invented the purple color, which means needs cleaning. Nowadays it's a bit different. So if you have the units attached to your desk and imagine you have a floor with 100 desks, then at the end of the day we light automatically only the desks up with a purple light which have been used during the day. So if the cleaning crew comes in, they only have to clean the desks that have been used that day. Imagine how many money that can save your organization on cleaning costs and doing it very effectively. So we do realize that buying this hardware is an investment, but the return on your investment is actually quite high because you will save a lot of money on renting office space. You can reduce your amount of office space tremendously, and it will also reduce directly your costs on cleaning of all desks in your company on a daily basis.